Ito na yata ang pinakasosyal na 2-bedroom townhouse na binenta namin ever. Good day mga kabahay, we are in Easton Park here in Macamot, Binangonan, Rizal. And behind me is the Townhouse B model. Yan yung pinakamaliit na model sa project na to. And yan ang papakita namin sa inyo on this video. So halika, tripping tayo. Relatively affordable pero ang ganda ng harap. This is the Townhouse B model in Easton Park, Binangonan. Townhouse B comes with 2 bedrooms, 1 toilet and bath, and 1 carport. The typical floor area is 82 square meters and lot size is at 50 square meters. At 2.7 million for a semi-finished version, this is currently the most affordable unit being offered by TaylorMade. Enhance nga pala yung model unit na to 3 bedrooms instead of 2, just to prove that unit is big enough and pwede magdagdag ng extra room if needed. Easton Park is a 5.6 hectare development offering 453 duplex and townhouse units. Project comes with complete amenities, including a multi-level clubhouse, parks, and swimming pool. Yan yung pinakamaliit na model here in Easton Park. Pero kung gusto mo ng mas malaki and mas mataas naman yung budget, they also offer other models like a Townhouse A and kahit duplex unit meron dito. Kung gusto mong mag-tripping, just give us a call sa number below and we'll be happy to assist you and show you Easton Park residences. Interested ka ba sa Easton Park? Halika, tripping tayo!